Welcome you to this program of our school.
Nung fun ko cha nagaling yung nga lani nagaling yung DC hagajing isnya tho langi daw buoi kawasan lak tangka ni bentayong ni fencing kawa arwan hi dayo ai yaga jing pesnyao nagaling yung ni school hakawa depan gi yaga solar light ni ba ini PM yaga connectivity ni bentayong ni power connectivity do ong disin tu wahang te jing lai luti ni bah ni de de juyo usnyao wa em kami ya gani solar light inslem de hakikat tu gani por uphano naga office yong disi ya kinong pengkre kam ni ute ya te solar light yo penem kam tam ya ka office work yong principal bat kam jole ki katu kani ki kam yong ni school ya ka tele muslim de pun poye ka Tadang M2 kini kijing dawa kamtam nagaleng yung gichnong kubo hak matame wa onggi M kam bha upun bha pemiat ya kini gisorok po chnong badaw M kelumpung ko he ba go dawan hapo yung kini gichnong JALYIAH niti daw saw kumenu om wa ki he ki basian mansket ki yo jngai bat ki wasau sup ikre chirup niti daw de M kijing lai luti ko khanai pi ki ba Walai luti pembah pemiat yang kisorok hapok chnong bat katu kat ni pemiat pembah lani wat kilat keluti yo penyo yang kisorok ni bentau pentok petani yang kata gelumpung gudawan hagi ni stem gudawan.
We have been planning so many developmental activities in the JALYIAH village that we have demarcated for Science and Technology Council of Meghalaya, and a science center will be established there which will not just benefit the students of JALYIAH but the students all across the district. So we are awaiting for that center also to be, the work for that center also to be started by the Science and Technology Council of Meghalaya. So from the district side also we have been doing a lot of work with respect to digital classrooms in various schools. We will see the feasibility if possible in this school as well. We will try to include this school also in our digital classroom initiative.